What is dimensional analysis? Dimensional analysis is a method used to convert units from one system to another, ensuring consistency in measurements. How does dimensional analysis work? Dimensional analysis involves using conversion factors to change units from one system to another, such as from meters to kilometers. What is an example of dimensional analysis? An example is converting 5 meters to kilometers by using the conversion factor 1 meter equals 0.001 kilometers. What is the purpose of dimensional analysis? The purpose is to ensure that measurements are consistent and accurate by converting units appropriately. How do you handle units in dimensional analysis? You use conversion factors to change units from one system to another, such as from centimeters to meters. What is dimensional analysis in physics? In physics, dimensional analysis helps verify the correctness of equations and units. What is the difference between dimensional analysis and unit analysis? Dimensional analysis is about converting units, while unit analysis is about verifying the correctness of units in a calculation. How do you perform dimensional analysis? You convert units using conversion factors, such as 1 meter equals 0.001 kilometers, to ensure consistency. What is the role of dimensional analysis in science? It helps in ensuring that measurements are accurate and consistent across different domains. What is the purpose of dimensional analysis in mathematics? It helps in verifying the correctness of mathematical expressions and units.